Hi there. My name is Amy Dabelt. I'm a Norwex independent consultant and a senior executive sales leader. And in this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how I use Post My Party to post my party content into the Facebook party groups that I have with all of my hosts. It's been a great tool. The cost of Post My Party varies depending on what plan you want to go with. They do have a basic plan that's $14.95 a month and a pro plan which is $24.95 a month. Now, for the most part, based on what I can tell, the biggest differences between the two plans are the amount of data that you have on Post My Party site. So the smaller plan, you have like 100 megabytes. That means that any videos that you have in Post My Party, they all take up some space. So you have up to 100 megabytes of video content that you can store and also graphics or GIFs. With the Pro plan, you have up to 1 terabyte of data, which I have the Pro plan, and that works well for me because I have a ton of templates, whether it's my skincare templates, my cleaning templates, and several different versions of each of my party templates because I always want to make sure my parties are fresh and I'm updating them. So I do have the Pro plan, and that's after a couple years of using Post My Party. So if you're just getting started out with your first template, you could probably start easily with the basic and then upgrade as needed. So we're going to get into this. I'm going to show you exactly how to use Post My Party. Let's go. Okay, the first thing you want to do is import your template if someone is giving a template to you to get started with. So you'll see I have lots of templates in here. The one I'm going to use though is the new product template for some new products that we have launching in October 2025. And so with this template, the first thing I want to do before I connect it to my Facebook group is I actually want to go through every post and I want to make sure that the way it's written is sounds like me. It's my words. I want to go through each post and update that. And periodically, I will update the post content in the post in terms of the way it's written, because when we post content that's the same over and over and over again, it can actually be viewed as spam content by Facebook and which will reduce our visibility. So we always want to freshen things up, whether it's images, how you communicate in the post, etc. Now, something I really love about Post My Party is that within the templates, you can post graphics, videos, or GIFs, or a combination. So I'm going to show you one of my posts in this is a combination of all three. I have a video, a graphic, another video, and another graphic. So when I am posting videos that look like reels, I will put that one first, and then I try to have three additional posts on the side of it. And I'll show you later in this video why I do it that way. It basically just makes it look better in the party group. But the first thing we're always going to do is just go through that template, make sure it looks like us, it sounds like us, especially if you're getting the template from someone else or if you're reusing the content over and over. And my parties always have a main event, which is the live demo that I do. So I want to make sure that I know where that main event is. So in this template, the main event is on day 4. All right. So I want to make sure I start this template 4 days in advance of that main event. So let's go ahead and connect a party. The first thing we're going to do is on the left-hand side, right above templates, it says parties. So I'm going to hit new party. I'm going to select a group and I'm going to add a new group. And the group that I'm going to add is this example group that I created. And so I'm just going to grab the URL. I'm going to go back over to Post My Party and I'm going to type the group name. So I'm just going to type example group and then I'm going to enter the group link. So I'm going to hit save group and then go to the next step. And this is the day, this date right here is the date that I want the party template to begin. So we're going to say this party is in 14 days, for example. So I want to look, so if my main event is on day 4 in the template, I want to make sure that I start this at a minimum 4 days before that main event. So so if my main event is on October 9th, I'm going to count backwards 4 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm on October 5th. And then I'm going to click next step. I'm going to choose my template. And the template I am selecting is the new product template. Let's find it. New products and basics, October 2025. Now I'm going to click next step. Now, the thing I love about Post My Party is you'll see in the middle of the screen, it's got some replacement words. So replace host with. So this is how you personalize your party. Several of the party posts have the host name. So I'm going to type Jane. That's her name, and that's how I want it to appear in the post. Her link is her ordering link or her party link, her event link, the link that her guest will click to place orders. So for the purposes of this video, I am just going to include my main website. All right. Now for text, I do have some shortcuts. So these are my my party tokens. They're called a token, and that's basically a bracket that says host or text or link or token 1, token 2, token 3, and then you pre-populate that with information. So for host, I typed in the word Jane. Text means the date of the event. Link is her ordering link for her guest. Token 1 is demo time, which can be great to use if you're counting down to a main event. Token 2 is a share a cart option where maybe you have a second ordering link. And token 3 for me is my catalog link. So we're going to go back to this template. So we have Jane, and the first one was text, and that's the date of the party. So we said Thursday, October 9th. And then token 1 is the demo time. So we're going to say 7:30 p.m. And I always put the time zone because my host will very likely invite people across multiple time zones. And so this is really helpful. So I'm just going to write in 7:30 Eastern, and that's all we need. Now I'm going to click next step. I'm going to confirm and schedule. This is not going to put the post directly into the group. But what I'm going to do now is click edit party. And I'm going to scroll through the template here, and you'll see now the first post is scheduled to post on October 5th at 8 a.m. And if I scroll down to the main event, I have the main event here at 7:30. And so right here, I want to make sure that the main event time in the template is at 7:30 p.m. on October. What did we say? Did we say October 9th? I think we did. So you'll see this is one day off. So it says October 8th. So I want to adjust this. So I'm going to adjust this to add one day. And then I'm going to look again at that. And don't worry if it says duplicated. That's just because I've done this video a couple times. So now I go back and I just look where I have my live demo positioned. And now it says October 9th at 7:30 p.m. So now it's perfect. I'm going to click Save Changes and get out of that. So the great thing about Post My Party is that you can install an extension, and an extension is a Chrome extension. It's attached to your Google Chrome, so you want to make sure you're using Google Chrome, and it will basically be the gateway to do things for you in a specific group. So we're going to go back over to Google Chrome, and I'm going to show you where that party is and where that extension shows up. Okay, we're back at a Google Chrome browser on my laptop, and I have the extension installed. So it's right here. It's this little pink P. And now I'm going to find that party. It says example group, starts on 10:05. It's exactly what I want. We've already checked the time. We've already inserted the tokens. So I'm going to click the example group and I'm going to hit schedule. Now, what's going to happen on my screen is we're going to start seeing pop-ups. So this is basically the extension posting the party, Post My Party. And you'll see it's preloading these. Now, while this is happening, you are hands off your computer. Don't touch it. Don't do anything to it. A lot of times I will run these party schedules at night, so all the posts get into the group, but while I'm away from my computer. So I won't do it at a peak time where I need to be on my computer doing something else. And this party template specifically has multiple videos, multiple graphics, and 33 posts. And based on my recent experience with the extension, it takes about 35 minutes to post the whole party. So I'm going to actually let this run just a couple more minutes. I'm going to pause with you guys and we're going to come back to it in a few minutes and then I'll show you what to do next. Okay, we are back. It's been about 38 minutes. Perfect timing because I had a little lunch. And now we're going to check the party because it said it was finished. We're going to check the party and make sure everything looks good. And then we're done. We're ready to spend our time engaging with our guests, commenting, answering questions, all the fun things that make our businesses so worthwhile, while all of that logistical stuff is already taken care of. So let's go over and check out the group. We're back to our example group. And we are going to click scheduled post and we're just going to look through things and make sure everything looks good, looks the way we want it. We've got a roll call video here. We've got a welcome video. And if you'll notice here, it says our party date and time. So that's one of those tokens that we entered. So if we were using the same template for another party and had a different date and time, it's going to populate whatever we use in that token spot, which is why tokens are so valuable. Also, this says shop Jane's link here. So that again, it's from that token. So it looks good. And earlier in this video, I mentioned the way I post. I have, if I am posting a reel with graphics, I'll put the reel first and then the graphics behind it. So this is why I do that. This is how the post will actually look in the party group. Now, if something comes up and maybe you need to post things early, all you need to do is click post now and it will automatically post in the group. And this is how that looks. So we've got the reel first and then the 3 images behind it. So awesome. But if you don't need to make any changes, you don't need to post anything early, you're good. And now we just get to do what we love. See you guys soon. I hope this was helpful. Have a great day.